BlueHalo, in collaboration with Penn State, has developed ReadAM, a qualification system for rapid identification of the effects of defects in additively manufactured parts. BlueHalo is focused on inspired engineering to develop, transition, and field next-generation capabilities to solve the most complex challenges of our customers' critical missions and reestablish our national security posture in the near-peer contested arena. BlueHalo is a defense industry leader in artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies, including video, text, and sensor data analytics. In other words, we develop and deliver AI and ML-based products and customized solutions to address government and industry needs in application areas such as NDE sensing systems, electro-optics, and human-machine teaming. Additive manufacturing revolutionizes supply chains by simplifying and unifying processes. It also reduces production lead times, costs, and waste. However, additive manufacturing can adversely impact product quality due to a lack of understanding of how defects are introduced into manufacturing processes and how specific imperfections affect component and overall system performance and reliability. A new quality control system designed specifically for additively manufactured components and implemented with a defect impact database can expedite component and system certification and decrease the requirements for traditional destructive tests and inspections. The ReadAM quality control system identifies defects in additively manufactured parts and determines their impact. Key components are a material database, data from comprehensive tests and simulations, advanced machine learning to identify key properties, and non-destructive inspection methods to rapidly identify defective parts. For instance, ReadAM uses resonant ultrasound spectroscopy, or RUS, to quickly measure the resonant frequency spectrum of an additively manufactured part. With RUS, users can compare the frequency spectrum with benchmark results. If the frequency spectrum of the tested piece deviates significantly from the benchmark, the part is considered defective. ReadAM software consists of 3 modules: the Metal Additive Material Toolbox module, the Machine Learning module, and the Quality Control module. The Material Toolbox module contains representative material properties and defects for various additively manufactured parts and corresponding resonant ultrasound spectroscopy benchmarks. The data records have been obtained from lab testing and simulations based on laser power, scanning speed, and hatch spacing. Users easily rank and filter additive manufacturing processes for further comparison. The Machine Learning module allows users to create surrogates of the defects and material properties for different processing conditions based on 2 regression analysis methods: an artificial neural network and a multi-fidelity Gaussian process regression, or GPR model. The Quality Control module is designed to rapidly filter disqualified parts through vibrothermography, ultrasonic testing, resonant ultrasound spectroscopy, and X-ray computed tomography. The system follows a sequential quality control process to determine if a part should be scrapped. The ReadAM system improves the quality control process of metal additively manufactured components to improve system reliability and enhance warfighter capabilities. Fast filtering non-destructive inspections performed by ReadAM accurately inspect additively manufactured metal parts and can reduce inspection times by 50%. ReadAM ensures part quality, reduces inspection costs, and accelerates the design, development, and certification process of additively manufactured metallic components. The ReadAM system has been prototyped. We are upgrading the system with an enriched database for additional alloys, and we are continually enhancing system performance, quality procedures, and inspection benchmarks. Currently, BlueHalo is seeking end users to partner with for deployment. The ReadAM technology is beneficial to the development and certification of additively manufactured components used in sea, land, air, and space platforms and payloads. ReadAM has a wide variety of applications in the aerospace, automobile, biomedical, energy, and construction industries, and with powder bed fusion and directed energy deposition manufacturing technologies. The intended end users for the ReadAM system include the DoD and OEMs that utilize additive manufacturing, as well as commercial companies that use metal and other 3D printed materials. DoD examples include the Cross-Platform Systems Development Research and Development Program and the Office of Naval Research Quality Metal Additive Manufacturing Program. We're also interested in partnering with NAVSEA and NAVAIR, as well as PMA 275, PMA 261, and others. ReadAM's potential transition paths include delivery as a standalone tool or as an add-on to existing analysis software. BlueHalo is interested in extending the research efforts to other alloy systems and a variety of additively manufactured processes in defense, automobile, oil, gas, and aerospace industries. BlueHalo could also provide consultancy services for additively manufactured processing method design and evaluation, as well as additively manufactured part inspection and recommendation. BlueHalo is honored and proud to have developed ReadAM for the Navy to help ensure the safety of our sailors and Marines, improve the reliability of the equipment in the fleet and Fleet Marine Force, and also reduce costs to the American people. ReadAM will help ensure part quality, save inspection costs, and accelerate the design, development, and certification process for additive manufacturing. If you have any further questions, or if you think ReadAM may be applicable for your needs, please contact George Zhao directly. Thank you.